So it's time to enjoy. So it's time to enjoy our smoothie today. This is a blended moringa. The moringa, the leaves are blended to become powder form like this. Just blend it. You see? Just blend it and become powder form. So with this powder form, this is the powder form that I just blended in moringa. See, if you haven't watched the previous video I did how the benefit of moringa, please try and watch it. Moringa has a lot of health benefits, a lot. So this is it. I just have blended it and put it here. So I'll be using it. We do use it every blessed day to put up. I hope you can see. You know how easy. Hope you guys can see it. So this is the powder form of the moringa that I blended, and you can use it for tea, you can use it in smoothie, you can use it on your food. Just put a spray on your food and eat 1 teaspoon. It's very, very healthy, I'm telling you guys. So go for moringa, buy them. I mean, moringa is very, very, I mean, you have a lot of health benefit, a lot. Check my old video and watch it, so I can know the benefit of this moringa. If you are taking it, it's like you are taking spinach, but you are taking any other green veggies. No, this is really, really healthy. So check it out and make sure you include it in your diet also. It will definitely help you. So I want to prepare some oatmeal. So I have what I have here. Inside here you see banana. I want to use 1 banana, and I use mandel for almond. So here, at least you can see. Let me just take it up so you can see it well. You see walnuts, you see almond, and you see the oat. So I'll be doing some quick breakfast this morning, and later on I'll put my moringa powder inside, so you'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. Let's do it together. So I've put everything in the blender, all the banana, the almond, the walnut, and the oat. So I've put all in the blender. Now I'm about to blend it. Then later on I'll show you how I put the moringa powder into it. So let's start the blending now, guys. You enjoy this smoothie. It's very, very delicious and healthy at the same time. So stay tuned, don't go away, just stay tuned and watch. So this is the smoothie prepared. Let me now garnish with the moringa powder, guys. You will love it. If you try it, you will love it. Instead, normally at times before I put like berries on it, but I just want to do it with moringa, because it's really, 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 really healthy. So here it goes. You can see our smoothie is ready. With this smoothie, if you take this one in the morning, the whole day you just feel fuller. I'm telling you, you feel fuller. It's really, really healthy, and it helps you to stay longer without snacking like You know, people always want like eat this. No, with this one, remember you take it early in the morning, you blend it. Gosh, you can also take it like that. Go with it at your working place. Put it in maybe the microwave. It just melt. You know, it's like that. It goes. It's very, very healthy, and it will keep you fuller for longer. You will not be thinking of like eating this, eating that, eating. No. Trust me, if you eat this one continuously, you will love your body. You will love your brain. You will love your eyes. You will love your hair. You will love your nails. You will love the way you go to the glue very easy. I'm telling you. And the fiber in it is healthy. So you know we need fiber, good fibers, you know. So go for this oatmeal. I mean the recipe that I'm giving you with moringa on inside. Now before normally I'll put like some berries inside. But I said no, let me not put berries. Let me also go for moringa. Because moringa is healthy and it's like spinach. So it will have more health benefit than spinach, you know. So guys, go for moringa smoothie with the oatmeal, and then tell me later. Come and leave me your comment below how you enjoy it. It will take you just 2 minutes to do it. 2 minutes, highest. Yeah. 2 minutes to finish. And you are dead, you are gone. You see that your day will be so vibrant. You will not be moody. You'll be upstairs, sound everywhere. Your body will sound everything. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Hey, subscribe so that any upload, you'll be the first to watch, you know. So see you in my next video, and I always say shalom to all my amazing VIP subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So our juice is ready. You can see the smoothie is ready. You can see. Okay, let's serve it now in a glass to enjoy it. So it's time to enjoy our smoothie today. Smoothie.